Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video edition of Indian Economy Part 2, we would be discussing some important points regarding Geographical Indication Tag, also known as GI Tag. Before delving deep into the details of GI Tag, let's understand it briefly. As you all can see here, this is the GI logo and slogan. Slogan says, "Invaluable treasures of incredible India. Atulya Bharat ki Amulya Nidhi." Now, GI is a symbol or sign that is used on a product. It is specific to a geographical territory. It has got features, qualities and reputation which are mainly due to its place of origin or production. Now let's quickly begin with the details. Which was the first Indian product to get geographical indication tag? So the first Indian product to get geographical indication tag was Darjeeling tea, and it got its GI tag in the year 2004. How many products have been awarded GI tags so far? 370 products have been awarded GI tags. The geographical indication tag is provided under which act? So it's provided under the Geographical Indications, Registration and Protection Act 1999. Who issues GI tag in India? Geographical Indication Registry under the Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade, which is under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, issues GI tags in India. Which specific product was provided the second GI tag in India? Aranmula Kannadi, which is a mirror handicraft of Kerala, was given the second GI tag. Bardhavan's Sita Bhog and Mihidhana, which were provided the GI tag, belong to which state? They belong to West Bengal. Chakhao, which is also called the black rice, has received the GI tag, belongs to which state? They belong to the state of Manipur. Bandar Laddu, which received the GI tag, is associated with which state? Andhra Pradesh. So friends, in this image we have tried to include certain GI tag products and their images mainly. It includes Kashmiri saffron, Chakhao rice, Ratlami save, Rasgulla of Odisha. Now these images will help you understand these GI tag products better. Let's move on. Tezpur lychee of which state was awarded GI tag in March 2015? So it belongs to Assam. Which state does the world famous Patan Patola saris with GI tag belong to? These saris belong to Gujarat. The famous Bhalia wheat or Bhal of Bhal region in which state has been recognized as a product of specific geographical area? It also belongs to Gujarat. In which state was a woven Bomkai sari and clothes were provided with GI tag? Odisha. Pokalli, a unique saline tolerant rice variety, is cultivated in which state? It's cultivated in the state of Kerala, and the districts it's cultivated in is Alappuzha, Thrissur and Ernakulam districts. Which state in India produces Feni, which is a type of liquor? Goa. The famous Kadaknath chicken meat from Jhabua district in which state was given GI tag in 2018? So Jhabua Kadaknath chicken of Madhya Pradesh has been given the GI tag. What is the time limit for GI tags? So the duration is 10 years. The regulation of GI at the international level is done under the Agreement on Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights, TRIPS, of which organization? World Trade Organization. Sohrai and Kohber paintings of which state have been given GI tag recently? So they belong to the state of Jharkhand, specifically to Hazaribagh. The famous Telia Rumal of which state has been given the geographical indicator tag under the category of handicrafts? Telangana. Name the two products of Tamil Nadu. Those have been given GI tag in April 2020. So the name of these two products are Thanjavur Netti Works, which are also known as Pith Works, and Arumbavur Wood Cravings. Which product of Jammu and Kashmir has been provided with geographical indicator tag? Kashmiri saffron has been given the GI tag. Which product of Uttar Pradesh has been given the GI tag recently? Gorakhpur terracotta work has been given GI tag recently. Kovilpatti Kadalai Mithai that has been given the GI tag is a peanut candy made in the southern parts of which state? So it's made in Tamil Nadu. The Chokua rice and Kaji Nimu of which state has been given geographical indicator tags recently? So they also belong to Tamil Nadu. Boka Sol, a unique variety of rice of which state that does not even need to be cooked to eat, has been given GI tag. So it belongs to the state of Assam. The Khola chili of which state has been recently given the GI tag? It belongs to Goa. The famous Sriviliputtur Palkova milk sweet of which state has received GI tag from the Geographical Indicators Registry of India? So it belongs to Tamil Nadu. Which two products of Tamil Nadu were awarded GI tag in August 2019? So these two products which were awarded GI tag in 2019 August were Dindigul Lock and Kandangi Sari. Idu Mishmi textile of which state has been given GI tag? So this textile belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. Tirur Pan leaf, also known as Tirur vetila, which has been provided with GI tag, is the product of which state? It belongs to the state of Kerala. Gulbarga Tur Dal, which has been given GI tag, is a product of which state? So Gulbarga Tur Dal belongs to the state of Karnataka. Mizo Puanchei colored mizo shawl is a GI tag handicraft of which state? So it belongs to the state of Mizoram. The Palani Panchamiritam given as Prasadam in the famous Murugan temple of which state has been given a geographical indication tag? Tamil Nadu. Twalho Pua, Hamara, Pondum and Gotarkhe handicrafts which have been awarded GI tag belong to which state or union territory? They belong to Mizoram. Kodaikanal Malai Pundu, Kodaikanal Hill Garlic, which has been provided with geographical indicator tag, is a product of which state? It belongs to the state of Tamil Nadu. Rasgulla and Kandhamal turmeric of which state has been provided with the geographical indicator tag recently? They belong to the state of Odisha. When was the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 implemented, under which GI tag is regulated nationally? It was implemented on 15th of September 2003. The Chunar Balua Pathar, which is also called sandstone, of which state has been provided with GI tag? It belongs to the state of Uttar Pradesh. Which state's Kala Jeera, black cumin or chuli, which is dried apricot oil, got GI tag in 2019? Himachal Pradesh. Coorg Arabica coffee, Chikmagalur Arabica coffee and Barabudangiri Arabica coffee are GI products from which state? They belong to the state of Karnataka. Which state Sirsi Supari, also called Areca nut, has been provided with geographical indicator tag? Karnataka. Wayanad Robusta coffee has been provided with geographical indicator tag. Where is Wayanad located? Wayanad is located in Kerala. In which state is Araku Valley's Arabica coffee with GI tag produced? It's produced in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Silao Khaja that has been given geographical indication tag in 2018 is the traditional dessert of which state? Bihar. Salim silk, which received GI tag in 2004, is a product of which state? Tamil Nadu. Where are the GI tag Kolhapuri chappals manufactured? Kolhapuri chappals are manufactured in Karnataka and Maharashtra. Sangli Chi Halad, which is a Sangli turmeric, which has been given the geographical index tag, is produced in which state? It's produced in Maharashtra. Which state's Shahi Lychee has been provided with geographical indicator tag? Shahi Lychee belongs to the state of Bihar. Friends, this picture will give you the insight on the images of Telangana's Telia Rumal. So it has got certain GI tag products, those we have discussed earlier or we would be discussing in the forthcoming points. Fulkari work of Haryana and Punjab, the image has been included. Apart from that, Coorg's green cardamom, picture of Coorg's green cardamom, which is a GI tag product, has been included here. Kolhapuri chappals, Jardalu mango, Areca nut, Sirsi supari. And apart from that, the image of Jhabua's Kadaknath chicken meat, which has got a GI tag, has been included here. Let's move on. Which state's Alfonso mango variety has been given geographical indicator tag? Maharashtra. The Erode turmeric of which state has been provided with GI tag? Erode turmeric belongs to the state of Tamil Nadu. Let's continuing with the other GI tag products. Let's quickly have a brief over Erode turmeric. Now, Erode turmeric has got a main active ingredient by the name of curcumin in it. Okay, it has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. The curcumin content of Erode turmeric is very high. It is approximately 90% in comparison to other turmeric, and it is essentially preferred in other countries. Which state's Maghai Pan has been given the GI tag? Bihar. Blue pottery that has been awarded the GI tag is a unique product of which state? So it is of the state of Rajasthan. Which state's Katputli dance, also called puppet dance, gets GI tag? This dance form belongs to the state of Rajasthan. Pokhran pottery is the exclusive product of which state has been given the GI tag recently? Rajasthan. Molela clay work of which state received the GI tag? Rajasthan. Fulkari or embroidery that received GI tag is associated with which state? So Fulkari is basically associated with the states of Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. Which state's Kullu shawl has been given GI tag? Kullu shawl belong to Himachal Pradesh. Which state's Chanderi saris have been given GI tag? Madhya Pradesh. Marayur jaggery or gur of which state has been given GI tag recently? So this form of gur belongs to the state of Kerala. Which state's soft stone jali work has been given GI tag? This work is basically done in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Ghazipur wall hangings have been given GI tag. Where is Ghazipur located? It's located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Jardalu mango and Katarni rice of which state are given GI tag? They belong to the state of Bihar. Which states Adilabad Dokra and the Warangal Daris have been given GI tag? It belongs to the state of Telangana. Now let's understand briefly about Adilabad Dokra. Now Adilabad is a district in Telangana. This particular handicraft is an ancient bell metal craft which is popular in the tribal regions of Adilabad. Okay. Now, which state is the GI tag Govindo Bhog and Tulai Panji rice related to? So, they are related to the state of West Bengal. This illustration gives you the list of mangoes with GI tag. This list includes Lakshman Bhog mango of West Bengal, Himsagar mango of West Bengal, Fazli mango, which also belongs to West Bengal. Malihabadi mango, which is also known as Dashehri, belongs to Uttar Pradesh. Apimidi mango of Karnataka, Gir Kesar mango of Gujarat, Marathwada Kesar mango of Maharashtra, Banganapalli mango of Andhra Pradesh, and Konkan Alfonso mango of Maharashtra. Let's move on. Which state's Jalgaon banana has been provided with geographical indicator tag? Jalgaon banana belongs to Maharashtra. Black pottery of Nizamabad in which state has been provided with GI tag? Nizamabad is in Uttar Pradesh and is famous for its black pottery. Handmade carpets in which district of Uttar Pradesh have been provided with geographical indicator tag? So handmade carpets are manufactured in Mirzapur. Shafi Lamfi, Wanghi Fei, Moirang Fei and Kachai Lemon are the geographical indicator tag products of which state? So they belong to the state of Manipur. Ratlami Save, which has received geographical indicator tag, belongs to which state? It belongs to the state of Madhya Pradesh. Scissors of which city of Uttar Pradesh has been given GI tags? Meerut. Now friends, I would like to tell you that there is a community in Meerut and they have been manufacturing this product for more than 3 centuries. These Meerut scissors can be repaired and reused many times. This is a scissor that is made of recycled metal scrap, and this work is generally done in micro level industrial units which are based in Meerut in India. Okay, so let's move on. Kolhapur jaggery of which state has got GI tag? Maharashtra. Ittar or perfume of which state of Uttar Pradesh has been provided with a geographical indicator tag? So there is a city in Uttar Pradesh by the name of Kannauj which is famous for its perfumes. Zardozi of which city of Uttar Pradesh has been provided with geographical indicator tag? So Zardozi work is done in Lucknow, which is also the capital city. Which state is Mahabaleshwar strawberry that has been given GI tag associated with? So Mahabaleshwar strawberry of Maharashtra has been given the GI tag. Geographical indicator tag Malda Fazli mango and Malda Lakshman Bhog mango belongs to which state? So they belong to the state of West Bengal. Which state's Coorg green cardamom has been given a geographical indicator tag? So Coorg green cardamom belongs to the state of Karnataka. Which state's Muga silk has been provided with GI tag? Muga silk belongs to the state of Assam. Nawara rice is the product of which state's geographical indicator tag? So it belongs to the state of Kerala. Name the states whose Malabar chili has obtained geographical indicator tag. So Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu produce Malabar chili. Dhokra handicraft is a product of which state's geographical indicator tag? Dhokra handicrafts are mainly done or manufactured in Bastar in Chhattisgarh. Now Dhokra craft products are cast in bell metal and they are a combination of bell metal wire work. These products depict the tribal culture, people and their tools, instruments, animals and nature. Crafts from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilizations have been included under this Dhokra craft products. It is basically made of 27 intricate steps and no molds are used here. In this image, we have tried to include certain geographical indications which were granted by Indian Patent Office in the year 2017-18. So this includes Banganapalli mangoes of Andhra Pradesh, Nagpur's orange, Pashmina shawls from Kashmir, Kangra paintings, Tulapanji rice of West Bengal, laddus from Tirupati, Darjeeling tea and the other 5 products that received the GI tag in the year 2017-18 are Ponchampalli Ikat of Telangana, Govindabhog rice of West Bengal, Durgi stone carvings, Itikopakka toys of Andhra Pradesh, and Chaksheshang shawls of Nagaland. We have also included an image of Malabar pepper. Let's move on. These are some well-known GI products, like we have discussed in the earlier descriptions. Now it includes Tejpur lychee, Kesar mango, Gir Kesar mango of Gujarat, Kangra tea, Odisha's Patta Chitra, Meerut scissors, those we have dealt with in detail, Makrana marble, Mathura's peda, Agra's petha, Pak of Mysore, grapes of Nashik, Nagpur's orange, and Malabar's pepper. So some other. So friends, as you can see in the picture, we have tried to give you a glimpse of some well-known GI products. By GI products I mean the products which have got GI tags, of course. Okay, so we have tried to include Madhubani paintings of Bihar. We have given you an image of the glass work of Firozabad, the pottery of Khurja, the metal craft and the wood craft. Now the metal craft of Muradabad and the wood craft of Saharanpur. Now the carpets of Bhadohi, liquor by the name of Feni from Goa, Itr of Kannauj has also been included. Apart from that, Zardozi work from Lucknow, the handmade daris of Mirzapur. So now you can see an image of handmade daris of Mirzapur. Chanderi work which is done in Madhya Pradesh. So we have tried to include an image of a fabric of Chanderi. Muga silk of Assam, laddus of Tirupati, mangoes, mango variety of by the name of Dashehri from Malihabad. So we have given you a glimpse of some well-known GI tag products, and I hope it helps you for getting a better insight into the topic. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.